Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. You know, one of the issues affecting our planet and its inhabitants is the future of healthcare. A true evolution is taking place today, and our healthcare systems and hospital labs are undergoing a massive transformation to adapt to a new reality. Let's take a look. Today, healthcare is in the middle of a seismic shift. The reasons are many: an aging population, increased chronic conditions, rising medical costs, and a constant need for better access to affordable health care. But there's always been a key player in the success of healthcare. You could call it the unsung hero that impacts our very health and well-being: the diagnostic laboratory.
Diagnostic testing is crucial to any healthcare discussion simply because lab tests influence about 70% of patient care decisions. Think about that. 7 out of 10 patient care decisions rely on the physicians ordering the right test to order, receiving accurate results, and receiving them in a timely manner. Really, the lab provides invaluable medical information that will enable the doctors to establish diagnosis, make treatment decisions, follow their patients, and it all happens here in the clinical lab.
Diagnostic testing is something every one of us can relate to because we've all had it done at some point. But while most people may think of a lab test as just a tube of blood that is collected, that sample is really the start of a journey that will determine if there is a health concern and what treatment is needed.
Imagine a situation that you're with a loved one who suddenly experienced chest pain, nausea, lightheadedness, and is taken to the emergency room. That's actually a life or death situation, and you need to know as soon as possible if a heart attack has occurred. At the clinical lab, such as here at UC Irvine, the lab team immediately goes to action to find out the cause. The sample is processed, loaded onto the automation track, analyzed, results verified, and released to the ordering physicians. All of this in 30 to 60 minutes.
Accuracy and speed of results provided by diagnostic testing is critical. This not only means success for the entire health network, but also delivering the right diagnosis and treatment for the patient.
Diagnostic errors account annually for 40 to 80,000 deaths in the United States and for up to 58% of the malpractice claims. We at Beckman Coulter provide critical diagnostic tools to physicians who have to diagnose the patient. A high focus of ours is on continuous innovation to get better and better diagnostic tools into the hands of those doctors.
It requires constant innovation in the laboratory to improve patient outcomes as well as reduce costs, and in this case, a partnership in innovation to help doctors and laboratories deal with the increasing volume of lab tests in a more effective and accurate way. This is what Beckman Coulter has been doing for over 80 years.
Beckman Coulter, the company, is actually formed by two very famous, innovative scientists that actually wanted to help improve mankind through science. The company was formed 81 years ago, and many of the innovations that they invented in their garages are now used all over the world. It was basically formation of a fantastic technical industry around diagnostic testing.
Diagnostic innovations like the Prostate Health Index, or PHI, a lab test that can now provide the probability of having prostate cancer, the number 2 cancer killer in men, whose PSA is slightly elevated and who have a normal physical examination. That's why healthcare networks are seeing the value in partnering with innovative technology companies that have been part of their day-to-day operations for decades. Networks like PCL Alverno.
We've partnered with Beckman Coulter, for example, and implemented well over 180 pieces of equipment in a relatively short period of time, almost unheard of short period of time, a total of 6 months. And we did that in all 30 of our plus testing locations throughout the system, and it really has enabled us to provide the kind of care that we think is important for our patients and physicians.
In fact, in 2016, PCL Alverno was even named Laboratory of the Year by Advance for Laboratory magazine, a designation given to the one lab that surpasses all others in using innovative concepts in diagnostic testing.
The thing about awards is they kind of give you that reassurance that you're doing the right things, that you're providing the right care, and that you're really improving kind of the efficiency of your organization and the products that you deliver and the care you deliver to patients.
It's easy to understand the importance of the diagnostic lab in the overall healthcare ecosystem because its work is at the center of almost every care decision medical professionals make. The diagnostic lab is truly the foundation of patient care. It's a tall order, and one that many diagnostic labs are fulfilling today by partnering with innovative diagnostic solution providers like Beckman Coulter to build the labs of tomorrow today.